Land and Property Services is an amalgamation of rates, land registry, valuation and ordnance survey. We provide the underlying mapping data, and we also provide platforms such as Spatial NI to enable to use the data. We also have outposted staff in each of the departments across government to encourage them to start to realise how they can use that data and join their own data to it. Ultimately, Ordnance Survey want to prove the interoperability of data. Having the GI tools to enable us to do that, then we can start to really utilise that data within Land and Property Services and right across government. We see our spatial data as an enabler to help join up government and help achieve those aims.
Spatial NI started out 10 years ago, back in 2011, originally as the Northern Ireland Inspire portal to meet the EU Inspire directive. OSNI provides our data to customers via our spatial data infrastructure, and that allows the customers to come and get access to our data from a central location. The benefits of a spatial data infrastructure are that it allows our customers to access our data from one location, so they can get access to all OSNI datasets and some other datasets that we host for some other clients.
Spatial NI is built on Esri's ArcGIS enterprise platform. 20,000 civil servants across the Northern Ireland Civil Service have access to the Spatial NI portal. We also have a public-facing website, and we create a number of public-facing applications for our customers. Last year, we had 235 million interactions on the Spatial NI portal. The Spatial NI platform allows us to share data to all of our customers in the Northern Ireland Civil Service. By using the Spatial NI portal, the customers are able to rely on a single authoritative source for all geospatial data in Northern Ireland.
We use a wide variety of Esri products to QA and publish data as web services. We would mainly use Esri REST services along with open data, OGC and inspired datasets to provide a wide range of geospatial data to a large number of customers. The benefits that our customers will see to this is up-to-date datasets and no need for data management, as they rely on us for that.
In response to the COVID pandemic, we used the ArcGIS Enterprise portal as it was adaptable, and we created apps for both LPS teams and our customers who were off the NICS network so that they could continue their work. We also used ArcGIS Online to provide services to the universities so that they could continue their remote learning off campus. We also used ArcGIS Web App Builder to create a COVID restrictions app which showed all of the postcodes that were affected in Northern Ireland by the COVID restrictions.
We've recently launched a new Esri locator across our platform, which will allow our customers to search for properties using OSNI's unique Fusion IDs.
The GLPR team, which is the Government Land and Property Asset Register programme, aims to create a central register for all government land and property assets. By utilising GI software, it allows us to incorporate a geospatial aspect to the data and georeference the data to a specific location on a map. We also ensure they align to the OSNI core products, which are Pointer and Fusion, which allows to attribute an accurate address as well as the Fusion ID. By incorporating this Fusion ID into our data as well as external datasets, it allows us to leverage value from the data itself.
The integrated mapping application combines information from 3 line of business systems into one innovative mapping application. This app includes information from land registry, valuations and revenue and benefits. This data is extracted from them using FME and then hosted and published in a web map, which is on our own ArcGIS Enterprise. So we chose to use ArcGIS Enterprise as it allows us to keep our data secure on site and also allows us to use the configurable components of the web app builder to actually create our web mapping application.
The integrated mapping application has given access to our staff to information for land and properties for the very first time. Having this relevant and accurate information has allowed us to provide better efficiency and a better level of service for the customer.
Reval 2023 is where Land and Property Services revalue and reassess over 74,000 commercial properties in Northern Ireland.
We will be using GIS to view, interrogate and analyse a number of different valuation layers, including rent and lease information which has been collected from business owners. This data will then be hosted on our ArcGIS Enterprise instance. I will then use Web App Builder to create a web mapping application to help visualise and analyse the data.
The mapping application has allowed valuers to geospatially see complex data, which allows for better decision making. This mapping application has been a superb example of collaboration between Valuation Directorate and Ordnance Survey Northern Ireland.